My beautiful friends, I couldn't be faster to press add to basket fast enough with this journal, ledger journal, brand new from Dina Weekly from Ranger. I was so excited when I saw what's inside. In case you missed the previous video, you have to check this out because this is something I think for us art journaling, collage makers, crafters, something very special. I love this very much. I figured I'm going to show it to you quickly once more because it's a very special booklet. I didn't see anything like that ever, to be honest, and I'm so excited, so impressed with the quality, how it looks, and the most surprised I was, as I've mentioned before, with the size of it. For some reason I was pretty sure it's going to be this size. Like, you can see how weird, how different, how wrong was I, but I'm so happy for this size. I don't own anything in this size. It's like bigger than A5, it's not A4, and it's very narrow and it's tall and it's like so different. Imagine a page only in this structure, or imagine a square like that for the collage. Either way, my beautiful friends, it is such a wonderful booklet that I wanted to show it to you quickly in this video in case you've missed and didn't see the little flip through. It's a reproduction. It's called Reproduction of Authentic from 1920s Hardware Store Ledger. Smooth, sturdy paper that works great with the mediums, sticks and more. 180 grams and journal cover measures, blah blah blah. The cover feels like fabric, but it's not well, no, it's not fabric, but it feels a little bit, because this is fabric, so it's not as fabricy, but it's not paper either. It's something in between, maybe some hardened fabric. I love it. I'm so actually in love with it that I'm the most excited to really truly start with it, and I'm also nervous starting the first page in any book. It's stressful for me, to be honest, but now with this, like, whoa, what I'm gonna do? Because you buy this to have a gorgeous background and fantastic startup, but at the same time, we have to cover it up, so we will be adding mediums and covering bits and pieces and just using elements from it, but like the background will be peeking through. I'm just loving it. Guys, let me know if you've seen this, if you heard about it. I got it from Scrap Hut. Check their website. They were the first that I've seen it online, or their Facebook. They are from the Netherlands, but I'm pretty sure they ship definitely Europe. Check it out if they ship to your part of the world. Wow. I am obsessed already, and I didn't even start. I love that every page, yet it's obviously a similar color and all, but the writing is different, the details are different to different pages. Maybe something is repetitive, I don't know. Possibly. Oh, it is actually. No, it's not. Oh, it is. Oh, well, there you go. There is a repetition, so it's not maybe every single page being, oh, there we go. Is it? No, it's different. Some of them are repetitive, which is fine, but in general, it's the uniqueness of this writing, it's the shape of it, it's a thick enough page to work on, it's the challenge that goes with it. I'm in love with it. Thank you so much for bringing such a beautiful product to the market. I think I've missed it without knowing it, and I'm excited to use it. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I think the next video will be to just use this book, this gorgeous ledger book journal, and make some projects, some collage. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. It was just a short little clip to show you the peek through, sneak peek and flip through of this fantastic looking journal. I am loving it, and yes, I hope you will get it for yourself, because honestly it's something that we all need in our life. I'm pretty sure, well, I do need it. I did need it. I didn't think, but I did need it. Thank you. Let's get crafting. Let's get enjoy these pages. So excited. Have fun, and thank you so much for watching. I love you, but I do have to go. Till the next time, happy crafting. See you soon.